In this video, I'll cover how to raise and lower roof planes. Roofs are generated by the program based on the ceiling height and the roof type in your wall setting. For this example, if I want to raise the gable roof on this pop-out, I'll come over into the 2D floor plan view, double-click inside the room. On the structure panel, I'll come into the ceiling area and I'll increase this by 12 inches. With the automatic roofs on, you can see how the roof then raises up. Let me go ahead and press the undo button one time here. The other way you can raise or lower your roof plane is go ahead and select on the roof plane. In this case, I'm going to select both roof planes by holding my shift key down, opening them up. On the general panel inside of the roof plane specification, there are a number of ways you can adjust your roof height. If I lock the pitch and I increase the ridge top height, let's say 144, press the tab key, you can see all the other values update, and then when I close the dialog, the program will prompt me to turn off the automatic rebuild roofs. We'll go ahead and do that, and you can see the roof plane did raise in this area, but notice if I zoom in a little bit, there is a gap in this area and you would need to correct that. You might use the join roof plane tool. You can click on the edge, use the join roof plane tool, click on the other edge in the roof plane and make the join. And then I could repeat the process on the other side. Oftentimes it's easiest to let the program do this automatically for you by changing the ceiling height and making the adjustment there. Let me go ahead and press the undo button a couple of times. Another way that you can raise and lower your roof planes, let me go into the roof plane mode. I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to come over. You see my cursor is just to the upper left of the pop-out gable. I'm going to hold my shift key down and click and drag with my mouse and draw a marquee around both of the roof planes. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to use this tool that's called Transform Replicate. You'll see it in my bottom toolbar. This will also prompt the program to turn off the automatic roofs. We'll go ahead and say OK. In the Transform Replicate dialog, the move option, I can come in the Z direction, which is up and down, and you can put a negative value or a positive value. If I come in here and put in plus 12 inches, move the roof planes up, you can see that it did move them up. Again, I would need to go in and join those roofs. As we did before, let's press the undo button one more time. I'm going to click on the roof plane tool. This time I'm going to click on the far outside of the house, click and drag around all of the roof planes, use the Transform Replicate, turn off the automatic roof tool, and then come in here. I'll move this up quite a bit so you can see it visually on the 3D side. As we move the roof planes up, you can see that the walls also move up to join where those roofs come in.